अमित किलोर सर एक ऐसे आदमी जिन्हें दक्षिणपंथी वामपंथी बोलती है और वामपंथी दक्षिणपंथी बोलती है। क्यों? क्योंकि वो दोनों के खिलाफ बोलते हैं। मैं वीडियोस लगा दे रहा हूं, आप खुद निर्णय लें।
मोदी शाह की कबर खुदेगी जेएनयू की धरती पर, अदानी राज की कबर खुदेगी जेएनयू की धरती पर। मैंने कुछ दिन पहले बात की थी कि हाउ लेफ्ट राइट नाउ इज कंप्लीटली बैंकरप्ट और डिवॉइड ऑफ द आइडियाज। दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट मैनिफेस्टेशन ऑफ दैट। The problem with the left right now is that they are a rebel without a cause. Conflict create करना है, authority को challenge करना है, but there is no clear-cut goal. What exactly are they looking for? And that lack of imagination, that lack of vision, will bring them always to Modi Shah ki kabar khudegi. If you need to fight an ideological war, you need to have a strategy. Not that I'm just a victim. I'm a victim, so basically I have to be right. You're not a victim. You're just right now on the losing side. And when you say कि Modi Shah ki kabar khudegi, it also shows that you absolutely lack strategy. The problem with the left is that they are absolutely devoid of any ideas. The problem with the right is that they have all the worst ideas. I think the left has to move a little bit to the right, and the right has to move a little bit to the left, so that the ordinary citizens can stay in peace. Now, whatever the functional democracy we have, dissent is kind of important. However dramatic it might sound, if you say that Modi Shah ki kabar khudegi JNU ki dharti par is basically a suicide for your own ideological viewpoint. Whether you like it or not, Narendra Modi will go in history as one of the greatest and the tallest leader of the India, and probably of the last 1500 years. Jawaharlal Nehru ji might actually surpass him due to the legacy and the kind of influence he had on the world, but he is right there on the top. 10 years of chief ministers and the 15 years of the prime ministership. You cannot beat that track record of performance. तुम सिर्फ rebel without a cause से ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं दिखते हो। मतलब कि challenge करना है authority को, लेकिन there is no purpose, there is no logic behind it. It's just that we are completely lost. हमारे पास कुछ करने को नहीं है। Rebellion हमारी identity बन चुकी है। हमारा anger और frustration जो है वो थोड़ी सी unfocus हो चुका है। This is just a directionless protest and this is just attention seeking. महात्मा गांधी जी ने जब नमक सत्याग्रह किया था तो he chose the salt. You know why? क्योंकि salt law को ब्रेक करने पे ना 15 दिन की जेल होती थी। इसका मतलब उसको कोई भी ज्वाइन कर सकता था बिना किसी डर के। महात्मा गांधी ने उस समय ये नहीं कहा कि इरविन की कब्र को खोद के रख दूंगा मैं दांडी मार्च के अंदर। Focus the dissent and the frustration in the correct direction. Prime ministers are not changed by slogans. 25 साल में 2 प्राइम मिनिस्टर हुए, आगे भी ऐसा ही रहेगा। प्राइम मिनिस्टर इसलिए चेंज नहीं हो जाते क्योंकि 21 साल का लड़का फ्रस्ट्रेट है। what we need to do is to make the people in power work according to the way they are supposed to. ये जो आईएएस और आईपीएस एमपी एमएलए जो चीफ मिनिस्टर जो हमारे देश को दीमक की तरह अंदर अंदर से खा रहे हैं, करप्शन कर रहे हैं, we need to stop them, we need to change them, and that does not start by digging the grave of the prime minister. Rather, seek help from the prime minister. He is standing at the cusp of the history. He will have to answer to you. He is in the driver's seat. He will have to steer the country towards the progress. We just need to tell him. Narendra Modi की 1000 से ज्यादा criticism है. This guy doesn't do the press conferences. Like, what is that about? However, calling for the death of the prime minister and the home minister in a college campus, not exactly a good idea.